Hi everyone, today I installed the security camera. Right now camera is easy to operation because it uses Wi-Fi to connect to your phone, so you can operation to your phone. Then if you want to record, maybe they charge you some money, $30 per year, $40 per year. Yeah, it's a good tool. They restore storage video 7 days, different company, different. So right now we just want to support the power. So in easy ways, I find the inside the door, the outlet. From the outlet, you just drill the hole from the outlet, then go into the outside the wall. So it become the hole here. So from the outlet, connect the power to the device. Okay, that's the easy way and to install the security camera. Okay, thank you. Bye. Follow me.